This mummy looks like she's wearing Adidas shoes, and Twitter is freaking out. The 1,500-year-old remains of a woman's hands and feet were recently discovered in the mountains of Mongolia. Archaeologists think the mummy can teach us a bit more about ancient life, beliefs, and rituals in Mongolia, but people on Twitter just want to talk about those shoes. One user asked if anyone else saw a pair of retro Adidas Predators. Another said Nike might have signed more star athletes, but Adidas has mummies under contract. Janara said the mummy must be a time traveler. However, one tweeter isn't convinced, saying, "You know that mummy that's been found wearing Adidas? It isn't. I count 4 stripes anyway, so K-Swiss at best." The corpse was also buried with a saddle, wooden bowl, iron kettle, and an entire horse. A researcher said, "The finds show us that these people were very skilled craftsmen. Given that this was the grave of a simple person, we understand that craft skills are rather well developed." Apparently, this mummy's skills were developed enough to start a fashion trend 1,500 years ahead of its time, but probably not. This is Rob Smith for Buzz60. Now you know, pass it on.